Hello.
Hi, welcome to the recycling fair. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if I can recycle plastic bags.
You want to know if you can recycle plastic bags? Yes, we have a special bin for them.
I not recycled bags before.
You have not recycled bags before? No problem, just put them in this bin.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good, you are learning. Recycling helps the planet.
I am happy to help.
That's great. Have a green day.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the pet adoption event. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to adopt a cat.
You want to adopt a cat. That's wonderful. We have many cats here.
I not adopt pet before.
You have not adopted a pet before? No problem. I can explain the steps.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Cats make great friends.
I am excited to meet the cats.
That's great. Let's find the perfect cat for you.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the smoothie bar. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if you have sugar-free smoothies.
You want to know if we have sugar-free smoothies? Yes, we have some with no added sugar.
I not try sugar-free before.
You have not tried sugar-free before? No problem. Would you like to taste one?
Yes, please. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Healthy choices are good.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your smoothie.
Hello.
Hi, do you want to charge your e-bike?
Yes, but I not know how to do.
You don't know how to do it? No problem. Just plug this cable into your bike.
How long it take to charge?
How long does it take to charge? About 2 hours for a full charge.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Enjoy your ride.
I am happy to learn new things.
That's great. Have a safe trip.
Hello.
Hi, are you enjoying the art walk?
Yes, I like the paintings. Can I meet the artists?
Can I meet the artists? Yes, some artists are here today.
I not meet artists before.
You have not met an artist before? No problem. I can introduce you.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Meeting artists is fun.
I am excited to talk with them.
That's great. Enjoy the art walk.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the pop-up library. Can I help you?
Yes, I want borrow a book.
You want to borrow a book? Yes, you can take any book you like.
I not have library card.
You don't have a library card? That's okay. You can still borrow a book today.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Enjoy your reading.
I am happy to read new books.
That's wonderful. Come back anytime.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the garden workshop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know how to plant flowers.
You want to know how to plant flowers? Yes, I can show you.
I not plant flowers before.
You have not planted flowers before? No problem. It's easy and fun.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Let's plant together.
I am happy to try.
That's great. Your flowers will look beautiful.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Tech Help Desk. Can I help you?
Yes, my phone not work.
Your phone does not work? What is the problem?
The screen is black. I not drop it.
The screen is black? No problem. I can check it for you.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. I will try to fix your phone.
I am happy you can help.
You're welcome. Let's see what we can do.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the barbecue. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if you have vegetarian food.
You want to know if we have vegetarian food? Yes, we have veggie burgers and salads.
I not eat meat.
You do not eat meat. No problem. You will like our veggie options.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Enjoy the barbecue.
I am happy to join.
That's great. Have a tasty meal.